Luke?
Hey, Martí! How are you doing?
I'm good. And you still playing?
Yes, I do. I can't stop playing. And how about you?
Yes, but my band broke up 1 month ago. And I thinking I create a new band.
It's great. We play together.
It's a fantastic idea. When starting?
Tomorrow after school?
See you then.
See you. Hey, what is your instrument?
It's here.
Well, can you sing? Because I sing like hell.
Better not. And you play the bass or guitar?
Nope. And you?
I play the drums.
Me too. Maybe this band is a not so good idea.
I have an idea.
Oh my goodness, your second idea!
It's ready to open the door?
Let's discover who's come.
That's my nephew.
The sooner we start, the sooner we finish. Let's start, please!
Girl, I got a question for you. Can I get an answer? Yeah. Girl, I got a question for you. Can I get an answer? She only love me 'cause I'm dangerous. That boom boom something like angel dust. Hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be alright. Dry those eyes. We'll be back in the morning when the sun starts to rise. So mama, don't stress your mind. So mama, don't stress your mind. Can we still be friends? Doesn't have to end. If it ends, can we be friends? I can't stop the see but you when you dance. Creeping up on me, so just dance. All the things I shouldn't do, but you dance. Ain't nobody leaving something.
I'm going. I hate you and I hate your ideas.
Please be silent. Thank you for coming today. Do you want to know the members of the Happy Shakers?
Just really enjoying this, aren't you?
The new Happy Shakers members are...
We will send you a WhatsApp message. Don't forget to visit us at
The Happy Shakers